Have you ever looked at your plate and thought, this used to make me feel great? Why doesn't it anymore? As we age, our bodies start sending subtle signals. A little more stiffness in the morning, a nap that feels more like a necessity than a luxury. Maybe your mind isn't quite as sharp by mid-afternoon, or you feel heavy and sluggish after meals that once gave you energy. Here's what most people don't realize. Many of these changes aren't just old age, they're often linked to what we're eating. That's right, the foods that served us well in our 30s and 40s might now be quietly working against us, especially when it comes to processed carbs, hidden sugars, and empty calories. But here's the good news. There are foods, simple, affordable, delicious foods that can help restore energy, improve mental clarity, ease inflammation, and support healthy aging from the inside out. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 of the most powerful foods you can add to your diet starting this week. These foods are low in sugar and carbs, easy to prepare, and packed with the kind of nourishment your body actually wants after 60. And just wait until we get to number 7. It's something most people toss in the trash, but it might just be the best anti-aging secret sitting in your kitchen. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. What's one food you used to love, but now your body just doesn't seem to agree with? Leave a comment. I read everyone. Now let's begin. 1. Cauliflower, the gentle carb swap that loves your joints. Let's start with something humble, pale, and completely underrated: cauliflower. Once overlooked as a bland side dish, cauliflower has made a quiet comeback, and for good reason. It's packed with vitamin C, fiber, and plant compounds that fight inflammation. And unlike rice or pasta, cauliflower won't spike your blood sugar or leave you feeling bloated. Roast it with turmeric and olive oil, mash it like potatoes, or use it as a low-carb base for pizza crust or stir-fry. It's gentle on digestion, easy on the wallet, and surprisingly satisfying. And if joint stiffness or gut issues are creeping up on you, this cruciferous veggie might just become your new best friend. 2. Pumpkin seeds, tiny, crunchy, and surprisingly powerful. You know that sleepy feeling in the afternoon? Sometimes it's not age, it's magnesium deficiency. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats that support your nervous system, help regulate sleep, and even ease muscle cramps. They also support prostate health for men and bone strength for women. Just a small handful a day, tossed on a salad, stirred into yogurt, or eaten plain, can give your body a serious mineral boost without any added sugar. 3. Arugula, the peppery green that protects your heart. Spinach gets all the glory, but arugula is quietly one of the most powerful greens you can eat after 60. It's rich in nitrates, not the bad kind, but the natural plant nitrates that help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. Arugula is also a natural detoxifier, helping your liver clear out toxins more efficiently. And it's incredibly easy to digest. Add it fresh to salads, pile it onto your scrambled eggs, or blend it into a pesto. It's light, zesty, and brings a bold flavor to your meals, without adding any sugar or carbs. 4. Cottage cheese, a creamy way to stay strong. Let's talk protein. After 60, we naturally start losing muscle, and that can lead to weakness, instability, and even falls. Cottage cheese is a low-carb, high-protein gem that's often overlooked. It's packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that helps preserve muscle mass and keep you feeling full for hours. Look for full-fat, plain varieties. You can dress it up with herbs, cucumber, or even cinnamon and walnuts for a sweet, savory treat. Don't be fooled by its old-school reputation. Cottage cheese is making a comeback, and it might just help you feel stronger, longer. 5. Beets, the root that boosts blood flow. If you've been feeling more tired lately, it might not be your age. It could be poor circulation. Beets are one of the few vegetables that actively improve blood flow, thanks to their high nitrate content. This means more oxygen to your muscles, brain, and heart. They're also a great source of folate and antioxidants that support your liver and brain health. Roast them, juice them, or toss them into a salad. Just don't wear a white shirt while doing it. 6. Eggs, whole, nourishing, and totally misunderstood. For years, we were told to avoid eggs, especially the yolks, because of cholesterol. But we now know that eggs, especially pastured or organic ones, are one of the most complete foods you can eat. They're rich in protein, choline, which supports brain function, and healthy fats that help balance hormones and nourish your skin from the inside out. Have them boiled, poached, or scrambled in olive oil. And please, eat the yolk. That's where the good stuff is. 7. Broccoli stems. Yes, the stems. The forgotten superfood. Here's the part most people throw away. The broccoli stem. It might not look like much, but this crunchy stalk is loaded with fiber, vitamin K, and glucosinolates, natural compounds that support detoxification and help reduce inflammation. Chop them into stir fries, roast them with a little garlic, or shred them into slaw. They're sweet, satisfying, and a perfect way to stretch your grocery budget and your health. Don't toss the stems. Your bones, joints, and gut will thank you. 8. Mackerel, the brain's best friend. You've probably heard about salmon, but mackerel deserves just as much attention. It's rich in omega-3s, vitamin D, and selenium, all critical nutrients for brain health, mood balance, and immune function. Unlike larger fish, mackerel is low in mercury, making it a safe, clean choice for seniors. Grill it, bake it, or enjoy it canned with olive oil and lemon. It's flavorful, filling, and fantastic for your heart and memory. 9. Avocados, the healthy fat that does it all. Creamy, delicious, and incredibly nutrient-dense, avocados are a must-have food after 60. They're full of monounsaturated fats that support brain and heart health, and they help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. They also provide potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Add slices to eggs, mash it onto low-carb toast, or blend it into smoothies. It's a rich food, but it's a richness your body understands and craves. 10. Bone broth, liquid gold for aging joints. If your joints are creaky or your digestion feels off, bone broth might be the soothing solution you didn't know you needed. Slow-simmered bones release collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that help rebuild connective tissue, support the gut lining, and even improve sleep. Warm it up in the evening as a cozy nightcap, or use it as a base for soups and stews. It's like a hug for your insides and a powerful tool for aging gracefully. Bonus: 3 foods to avoid after 60. Now, as powerful as these foods are, there are 3 foods I'd strongly encourage you to minimize or cut out entirely. Fruit juice sounds healthy, but it's all sugar and no fiber. Even 100% juice spikes your blood sugar and leaves you drained. White bread, it digests quickly, causes inflammation, and leaves you hungry again in an hour. Swap it for sprouted grain or cauliflower alternatives. Flavored yogurts, sneaky sugar bombs in disguise. Stick to plain, full-fat Greek yogurt and flavor it yourself. Final thoughts. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down, feeling foggy, or giving up the foods you love. With just a few smart swaps and nutrient-dense additions, you can feel energized, focused, and strong well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Remember, your body isn't breaking down. It's just asking for something different. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical wisdom on aging well. Until next time, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.